Hey guys, welcome to our latest installation here. So we've got our 2 ABB variable speed drive. So we've got an output frequency here of hertz, motor current and amp. So 1 per pump, 2 5 horsepower Kivus. And we've got servicing 2 Praga filters, which we'll have a look at in a minute. And we've got our 2 return lines teeing into 1 common feed back to the pool, distributing 2 heater from heater. Currently on our heat pump, inlet is 15 degrees, and then we've got an outlet of 23. So we're running a 198 kilowatt Astral Viron heater, or not a Viron, it's just an Astral heater. And we've got the Guardian NN chlorinator, which is a automatic dosing chlorine and pH or acid. So the inverter heater, so you can clearly feel the returning water at 23 degrees, which is cooking. And then we've got our real cold 15 degree water here, so super hot, blending in, averaging down here. So we'll get a total average weighted lift and temperature on the pool of 1.5 degrees. Right, and we've got a big guy here. So 100 mil feed in, 100 out. And again, we've got the clearly 15 degrees, clearly 23 degrees intake. This guy is absolutely hammering it, absolutely going bananas. We've got a nice clear space here, heaps of ventilation, heaps of inflow, heaps of outflow. Inverter, super efficient. So just under 200 kilowatts, 198. And the output on this is crazy. Like, I'll do another video shortly with a little bit more performance within this guy, but really exceptional power and output, and offer temperature input and output, simply 15 degrees in and 24 degrees returning. That's going to average up as we start turning the water a bit more. So we can see here, big pool. We're changing out commercial rollers and commercial pool covers as well. So the big the big bonus for being commercial is we're going with 150 mil roller on big stainless, big caster stainless wheels, stainless T-bars, marine grade alley. And the reason for that is we're just going to get away from this like real flimsy, really hard to wind deflection through here, bending T-ends, so those aren't square. And as we come over here, it just gets worse. So this thing bounces like a trampoline. See that? So we've got deflection on that. We can see it bowing through the width. The Guardian NN, is so a dosing system. We've got 2 Aquados feeders, which are like real, you could say aggressive in dosing, but the bathing light here, when we get 50 people in, you see the chlorine go from 3 parts or a little bit over 3, and then it goes bang down to half. It recovers really well, so we've got a nice bit of flow, bit of pressure, and the pH balance as well, which is critical. The thing we can't control is the alkalinity and a few other bits and pieces, obviously phosphates, but part of the ongoing daily maintenance is where you sort of pick up on that stuff. So if you want any feedback and on any commercial jobs, details, sizing, even if you want to compare some technical specs, we're always happy to help. Even have a look at some of the requirements too. Seen a few disasters, even putting open chlorine and acid bins in the same room, creating a bit of a gas chamber, and especially in a commercial setting, like at a school, and we want to make sure we can sort of do the best job we possibly can. This job did take us a little bit longer than expected. We did have stock available we just missed a delivery window, then we actually had to get everything made. But the outcome, we focused on the outcome. We got the pool sort of ready, cranking for pre-summer, pre-swim season. And let's have a quick look at so we've got our Pragas here. So we've got battery valves. So this setup here is similar to a multi-port. This is just actually the multi-port. We've got air relief valve, or vacuum relief when the system turns off. Brakes vacuum, but yeah, great looking layout from the team. So Jackson and his plumbing team really killed it on this one. We had Rick also in here, so 3 generations of plumbing, which is cool.